to stand behind the back of the chair, and we're going to get a nice wide stance. Toes are facing forward. We're going to use the chair just as a little bit of a balance and stability, and we're going to work a little bit side to side, letting the hips drop. Opposite leg I'm keeping straight. And as I sit into it, I want to let my butt sit back, almost like I'm sitting onto a chair behind me, so that I keep weight in the heel of my foot. I don't want my weight shifting forward to where my knee goes forward and that heel lifts up. I want to feel that weight back. Exhale coming up, inhale on the way down, exhale as we come up. I don't want to go so low that I have to use that chair a whole lot, partly because that chair is not going to support us if we're going to fall. It's more there just to kind of give us a little bit of extra stability. If you're able to do it without the chair, then that's even better. And with each one, we're seeing if we can get a little bit lower and a little bit lower. I want to feel that light stretch through the inner thigh. I also want to just feel that load in the hip so that our hips are working to get a little bit stronger. Good. Once you get about 10 of those, 10 of on each side would be great.